Tired of sending the same email to multiple people, one by one? Let's streamline your Outlook communication by creating and sending group emails, also known as distribution lists. First, open Outlook and navigate to the People section. It's usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen, often represented by a People icon. Click on it. Now, in the People view, look for the New Contact Group button. It might be in the top left corner of the ribbon, or under a new drop-down menu. Click it to start creating your group. A new window will pop up asking you to name your contact group. Choose a descriptive and easily recognizable name, for example, Marketing Team or Project Alpha Team. Type your chosen name into the name field. Next, you need to add members to your group. Click on the Add Members button. A drop-down menu will appear with different options for adding people. Select from Outlook contacts. If the people you want to add are already saved in your Outlook address book, this will open a window where you can browse your contacts. In the Select Members window, find and select each contact you want to include in your group. You can use the search bar to quickly locate specific people. Click the Members button after selecting each name, then click OK. Once you've added all the necessary members, click the Save and Close button in the New Contact Group window. Your group is now created and ready to use. To send a group email, start a new email message in the To field. Simply type the name of your contact group. Outlook will recognize it and automatically add all the members to the recipient list. You can click the plus sign next to the group name to expand it and see all the individual email addresses. Now, compose your email as usual and click Send. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a group email in Outlook. This simple trick will save you tons of time and effort when communicating with multiple people. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Outlook tips.